Universal IQ, exploring the infinite universe of knowledge.
What if ancient civilizations possess technology so advanced we still can't recreate them today? What if a 2,000-year-old computer could predict eclipses with NASA-level accuracy? What if Romans were using nanotechnology centuries before we even invented the word? Welcome to the top 10 impossible ancient technologies that completely rewrite everything we thought we knew about human history. From lost metallurgy that outperforms modern steel to concrete that gets stronger with time, these ancient innovations prove our ancestors weren't primitive. They were geniuses whose secrets we're still desperately trying to unlock. Let's count down the 10 most impossible technologies from antiquity, each one more mind-blowing than the last. Starting at number 10, we have proof that Romans were nanotechnology pioneers 1,700 years before we invented the term. The Lycurgus cup appears jade green in normal light, but glows brilliant red when lit from behind. In 1990, electron microscopy revealed Romans had embedded gold and silver nanoparticles just 50-70 nanometers wide throughout the glass, 1,000 times thinner than human hair. They achieved perfect nanoparticle dispersions without understanding atoms, electrons, or basic chemistry. Modern attempts require electron microscopes and PhD-level chemistry the Romans definitely didn't possess. At number 9, electricity might not be a modern invention. The Baghdad battery from 250 BCE generates 1.1 volts using clay jar, copper cylinder, and iron rod, exact components of galvanic cell. This predates our electrical understanding by millennia. Archaeological evidence suggests they electroplated jewelry with gold, performing electrical magic 2,000 years before science could explain how it worked. Number 8. Greek fire was the world's most effective chemical weapon for 800 years, and we still don't know how to make it. This incendiary compound burned on water, stuck like napalm, and couldn't be extinguished. The formula was so secret that when the Byzantine Empire fell, the knowledge died with them. Modern attempts fail to achieve the same devastating effectiveness despite advanced chemistry. Number 7. Maya achieved astronomical accuracy, rivaling modern computers without telescopes. They calculated the solar year as 365.24 days. Modern measurement is 365.2422 days, off by just 17.28 seconds per year. They tracked Venus to an accuracy of 1 day in 6,000 years and predicted eclipses centuries in advance, using only naked eye observations and stone monuments. Number 6. Roman concrete gets stronger over time. The Pantheon remains the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome after 2,000 years, while modern concrete crumbles after decades. MIT discovered that the Romans used hot mixing to create self-healing lime clasts that automatically seal cracks. They engineered materials that anticipate failure and respond with automatic repair, defining modern smart materials. Number 5. Damascus steel possessed impossible combinations of hardness and flexibility. It could slice silk, yet shatter stone. The secret died when ore sources changed. Analysis revealed carbon nanotubes and hierarchical structures that modern science barely achieves. Medieval smiths created 2,000 megapascal strength steel by unconsciously manipulating matter at the molecular level, using only forge and intuition. Number 4 is the world's first analog computer, built 2,100 years before Charles Babbage. It contained over 37 bronze gears that predicted eclipses and tracked the planets. X-ray analysis revealed epicyclic gearing that modeled irregular lunar motion using ancient Greek mathematics. This represents a complete technological tradition we never knew existed. generations of precision engineering knowledge lost to history. Number 3 is a 1,600-year-old iron pillar with zero rust despite monsoon exposure. It contains 99.72% pure iron with a protective phosphorus layer. Creating this 6-ton seamless structure required controlling a furnace hot enough for perfect chemical composition throughout. A feat of precision metallurgy at an industrial scale using technology that modern engineers can't replicate without electric furnaces. Number 2, Zhang Heng's seismoscope detected earthquakes from hundreds of miles away in 132 CE. Bronze dragons dropped balls into toads, indicating direction. It successfully detected a distant earthquake that was not felt locally. This required an understanding of P-wave and S-wave analysis, concepts not formalized until the 20th century. It functioned like an analog computer processing seismic data in real time. The number 1 most impossible technology is what Antikythera implies about lost human capabilities. This represents precision gear cutting, mathematical modeling, mechanical engineering comparable to 18th century clockwork, an entire educational system for training engineers. We're not the first technological species on Earth. We're just the first to think we are. If these 10 impossible ancient technologies just obliterated everything you thought you knew about human history, demolished that like button, you might be descendant of civilizations more advanced than ours. And smash subscribe because next week gets even more mind-bending. Top 10 quantum effects you experience daily without knowing. We're revealing how your phone, GPS, and even your eyes use quantum mechanics in ways that would seem like magic to ancient civilizations. Or maybe they already knew these secrets too. Drop a comment and blow my mind. Which ancient technology shocked you the most? And which one do you think we should prioritize recreating first? Share this with anyone who thinks ancient people were primitive. Show them our ancestors were technological wizards whose secrets we're still trying to unlock.